Hello everyone! Cooking with Moni. Today I'm going to cook easy vegetarian curry in watermelon. Here I'm using a medium-sized watermelon. I scoop all the flesh out. You can enjoy the flesh with your family. The ingredients are potatoes, fresh mushrooms, ginger, lemongrass, and some bay leaves. Other ingredients are curry powder, chili powder, coconut milk, and here I'm using some boiled eggs too. Then 300 gram small sized potatoes, cut them into half, soak in water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes soaked in water, I will pat dry the potatoes. Then I will use this air fryer to fry them. Here are the ready to fry potatoes. But before that, I will put some cooking oil on them. For 300 grams potatoes, I just use 3/4 tablespoons of cooking oil. So just mix them well so that to make sure the oil has covered up all the potatoes. I use organic chicken eggs. After they are bring to boil, I can now turn down the heat because I don't want the cracking eggs. I want smooth boiled eggs. After 5 minutes, we can turn it off because we cannot boil too long in the lower heat. I pour out the hot water and then I let them cool off. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you that we also need to cut the fresh mushroom. So here, if it is small, I cut into half. If it looks quite big, so I cut into 4. And the bay leaves, we must wash them. And the potatoes, just now I have told you, we cut into half. So this machine is very useful. We don't need too much oil to fry the potatoes. And then we still can keep clean our kitchen from oil. So I'm going to pour in the potatoes into the machine. And then I will set to the correct setting. Let me show you. I love this machine very much. We can also fry another food, another vegetables or meat. So I turn it on and then set to the correct setting to fry potato. And then I will press twice the button. And here it goes. It's starting to fry. So while waiting for the potatoes, I will peel off the eggs after it cooled down. To peel off the eggs, we also need to know the proper method. I usually will crash them together to make it crack. So usually I will use some salt to boil the eggs so that the skin will not stick in the flesh or on the flesh. And it is easy to peel off the skin after it cool off. Now I'm going to check out my potatoes after it fried for 8 to 10 minutes. So usually I will take out and then I will shake them to make sure that they are not sticking on the base, and then I will put them again and continue to fry it. So usually 12 minutes is more than enough to fry half-fried potatoes. So after 12 minutes, I will turn it off. Just press the button in the middle and I will turn off the machine. and press the button once more, and then take out the potato, shake them well. You see, so beautiful. They are not burned. Okay, let me show you some other side ingredients I use to cook this vegetarian curry. I use some coconut sugar, okay, and then salt. Then the next is curry powder. I will show you the complete ingredients, and then the chili powder or chili flakes, and 200 gram coconut oil, coconut milk, and then this one, you know, the bay leaves, lemongrass, ginger, and then fresh button mushrooms, eggs. So now I'm going to boil some ingredients with water. I use 2 bowls of water. So the bowls here are medium size. You can also use 2.5 bowls too, if you feel like it is too little. So you still can add them later on. So it is important to boil the bay leaves, the lemongrass, and ginger. Turn on the heat, and I'm starting to boil the water now. It is boiling. So now I can put in the ginger, the lemongrass, and also the bay leaves. Let them boil for 10 to 15 minutes to bring the flavor out. So now I can smell the aroma of the bay leaves, ginger, and the lemongrass. I'm going to put some curry powder inside. So here I'm using 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Just put inside. Wow, it smells really nice. Bring them to boil. I will put some chili powder too. I put 1 teaspoon chili powder. And then I also will put some coconut sugar. So 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar. So I use a very simple ingredients because it is not easy to get the spices in Germany. So I use all the dry spices. And I will continue to pour in the eggs. Okay, mix them well. Bring to boil again. So now I also can put in the potatoes, the half fried potatoes. So just mix them all together in the boiling spices of eggs, etc. So I keep stirring it to make sure they're all already soaked inside the water. So we can continue to put in the 200 milliliter or 200 gram of the coconut milk. So the coconut milk here in Germany, because the weather is cold, so you will see that they are frozen, but it doesn't matter. It is still a very nice coconut milk. So this coconut milk in the can, produced in Thailand. And remember, after we put the coconut milk, we have to continue stirring it slowly. Mix them well. I can now put some salt. Just put a little first, not too much, because if you put too much later, you cannot help it. So if it is not salty enough, you still can put some later on. I put in some of the water of the cream. So just let them boil slowly about another 5 minutes. So now I can prepare the aluminium foil because I don't have the wooden fire, so I'm using electric stove. So I need this. I just place the aluminium foil on top of the stove that I'm going to use because I want to make sure if, let's say, the curry is boiling, so it won't mess up my electric stove. So now I'm starting to pour in all the ingredients into the watermelon. Slowly I put them in, the eggs, and pour in the curry too. All in now. So I can also put all the mushroom. So put them all inside too, and we will mix them evenly to make sure that the curry has covered up all the mushrooms. So I see that coconut milk is not enough, so I pour in all now. So in here, if you see that the water or the curry is too little to cover up the ingredients, you can still add some water. And now I add 1 more teaspoon of curry powder. So another 1 teaspoon is enough. Mix them well. Slowly, do it slowly. We don't want the watermelon break. So not too hard. So now I can cover it. Yeah. I can smell the aroma. So I open it. I want to make sure how the mushrooms looks. So I stir them up. I dig them, the bottom up, move to top, and the top ones move to the bottom to make sure that they are cooked well. So softly press them and then cover again. So this process I think need about 15 to 20 minutes slowly with a very low heat. So I start to see some little smoke coming out. I zoom for you. You see the smoke behind there? Yeah, I smell a very nice aroma of the coconut milk burned. You know, when the watermelon skins a little burnt with the coconut milk, it smells really nice. I feel as if I want to eat it now. It smells so nice. It is different when you cook the curry in a stainless pot or in aluminium pot or any electric pot. But you cook with the coconut, with the watermelon skin, it smells different, totally different. So try it, guys. So now I cover it again. I think I will wait for another 5 minutes. Wow, now it's ready. Smells really nice. Delicious. It must be yummy. I know it. The aroma. You can imagine, guys. Smells so nice. I imagine it. I'm cooking in the jungle. Yeah. It is ready to eat. It is ready to be served. My vegetarian curry is ready to eat. Wow, really nice. I have switched off my stove now, but I still want to keep them inside the watermelon skin for 5 minutes. So I will let them soak inside. It's really yummy. So if you have a vegetable stock, you can add some to enhance the flavor, but I don't use it. I have just tried it. It tastes really nice, really yummy, delicious. And it smells, the aroma is wonderful. Make sure you try it. So if you like my video, don't forget to share, like, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.